In this airline travel review, we're going to travel from Tokyo Narita Airport to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. This is an economy class seat on board ANA All Nippon Airways. This aircraft is the Boeing 78X, commonly known as the Dreamliner. The total travel time is approximately 4 hours and 40 minutes. For a little extra, I booked an exit row seat for more legroom as well as easy access to the aisle. However, these seats have limited recline or zero recline at all because of its proximity to the emergency exit. If it's a long flight, give this a second thought. And since we don't have any seats in front of us, and if you are not used to seating on an exit row, it's quite a challenge finding what you are looking for and using some things in this section. Safety instructions card, and your headset. If they are not on your seat, it is on the side if you have the windows seat. If you have the middle and the aisle seat, usually it is in front of you, beside the seat of the flight attendant. And since we are on an exit row, we can only use the in-flight entertainment after takeoff, once the fasten seatbelt light has been turned off. Here is how to put it in place. Just look for the button under your armrest. Pull it up and turn the screen towards you. The remote is stowed under your seat. The same way, look for a button to push and pull it towards you. Now, it is time for our in-flight meal. The tray table can usually be found tucked inside, which easily pops out from the armrest. ANA is known to have one of the best in-flight catering services, and this is one of the reasons I always love flying with All Nippon Airways. If you have any dietary requirements, ensure you make the arrangement no later than 24 hours before your scheduled departure. For this flight, I requested for a Vegetarian Lacto Ovo meal, and the meal preparation was managed by Chef Hideki Takiyama. For my main course, I was served a tofu lasagna style with burdock root and sesame. For the appetizers, I was served a vegetable tortilla with carrot salsa and an onion and celeriac mousse. For our dessert, just as usual, a Haagen-Dazs ice cream, and to complete my meal, a cup or two of coffee. The in-flight entertainment system is very responsive to touch. For an approximately short, almost 5-hour flight, the number of movie selections are just a lot for you to yourself entertained all throughout the flight. Charging ports can also be found at the side under your seat. So this was my seat, and I had the entire row for myself. Please leave your comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more vegetarian food travel adventures.